Hey up, welcome back to another video. Today we're reacting to Daily Dose of Internet. Plane engine starts falling apart. I don't know what's going to happen. Let's get straight into it.
Hello everyone, this is your Daily Dose of Internet.
Internet. This plane was taking off from Taiwan when one of the pieces of the engine started to fall off.
Oh my gosh. That is well scary.
The pilot immediately turned the plane around and made a safe emergency landing.
Oh, that's good then. That's scary. What the hell?
Merhabalar efendim, klinik günleriniz nasıl geçiyor?
They didn't realize that it was going to be this windy outside.
Oh my god. Oh, he's took him out. I thought she had an actual mustache. What's she doing?
This video left me with more questions than answers.
What is... I need to go back. What just happened? What the hell? Alright, fair. Yo. That is crazy. That looks like it hurts. That's aura right there.
Using his voice, this guy realized that he could match the frequency of any room that he's in.
If we sing this note, there's no resonant frequency, but if we... So, did they just ask what that noise is?
This security camera caught
That's
this police
crazy.
car getting struck by lightning.
That is really cool.
These construction workers
Scary,
were
but
caught
cool.
having fun instead of working.
You gotta have fun in life sometimes, come on.
He bought a new golfing head cover that looks like his dog.
That is scary. What's going on? That was crazy.
They suddenly found themselves right in the middle of a tornado.
That is scary as well.
Dude, this whole place is. It might.
Jeez. That is lucky. Jeez. When people say you could fit a plane for that, I didn't know they meant an actual plane. What the heck?
He saw that the piano keys were reflecting in the ceiling.
What the hell?
They were trying
That
to
is
pick
really
up the
cool.
shipping container, but picked up the whole truck instead. This baby can't decide if they want to be happy or sad. He really let the intrusive thoughts win. I want to say this is a dumb idea, but I have no idea how this job gets done otherwise.
That looked
Robot
quite
fights
cool.
are pretty fun to watch.
Oh,
She accidentally recorded herself saving someone from drowning. It was time to show off this new car that
Well
I just
done.
won. He was
Just keep
trying to
up.
take care of these plants when this happened.
There's no way you can do that, really.
I really thought this cat was gonna start levitating.
Oh my god, that looks like my cat. A little bit. Let me take a closer look at that.
He was super excited to graduate from his grade school.
No way. Hole in one. Well, not hole in one, but...
Someone is probably getting fired for this.
Tables already almost maxed out up there.
This guy spent days
Whoa.
making this custom pet gate for his cat.
Luckily no one hurt. That's upsetting. That's even more impressive because it went in as well, both of them. What the heck? Jeez.
These guys found a deer that was lost in the middle of a lake and saved it from drowning.
Rising sun tournament. It's small, but look at that, guys.
Wow.
This
Well
cat
done.
refused
Two
to let
people
go
have
of
saved
his piece of
lives.
bread.
Corbin, you have to give it back. Corbin.
Dude's claws are all out like crazy.
He really wants it. Oh.
Poor little guy just wanted some birdseed.
Oh. He struck.
Wow! Noch nie einen Blitz gesehen, Alter. Holy cow.
Or,
This cat really loves her snacks.
he wants both.
Here's some really cool lightning going through a rainbow. That is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you guys again very, very soon.
Later. Wow. That was impressive at the end. But yeah. That was a crazy video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below what video you want to see me do next. And I'll see you.